Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your ICICI bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in ICICI bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.icicibank.com. Just click on that link. Now guys, you will be taken to the new interface, which is the official website of ICICI Bank. Now at the top right of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click over here. Now guys, over here you can log in your internet banking, either with your personal account or your NRI bank or your corporate or money to world or money to India, or if you are a new user, just click on that new user. For now guys, I'm clicking on the personal. Now guys, you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of the ICICI Bank. Over here, you just need to enter your user ID. Similarly guys, enter your password over here. In case if you forgot your user ID, just click on get user ID, then you will be recover your user ID. Similarly, in case if you forgot your password, just click on get password, then you will be easily recover your password. Just click on remember user ID for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. If you want to log in with your mobile number, just click on login with mobile number. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.